Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw a circle in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. Steps 1. Create a new project. 2. Add a solid color. Go to the edit page. In the media pool, right-click and select New Fusion Composition or use a solid color from the effects library. Drag it to the timeline. 3. Enter Fusion. Select the solid color clip in the timeline. Click Fusion at the bottom to enter the Fusion workspace. 4. Add Ellipse Mask. In the Nodes window, click on the background node or create one if needed. Add an ellipse mask by clicking Ellipse in the toolbar or right-clicking in the node window and selecting Add Tool, Mask, Ellipse. 5. Adjust the circle. Connect the ellipse mask to the background node. You can adjust the size, position, and softness of the circle in the inspector panel. If you want to make the circle field, set the background color in the inspector. 6. Apply and go back to edit. Once you're happy with the circle, return to the edit page by clicking Edit at the bottom. And that is everything you need to know about how to draw a circle in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.